Hey there, fellow travel enthusiast. Today, let's dive into another reason why using a travel agent can elevate your travel experience. Reason number 15, packing tips. We all know packing can be a bit of a puzzle, especially when you're packing for a new destination. That's where your travel agent becomes your packing guru. Travel agents are a treasure trove of knowledge when it comes to what to pack. They've got tips and tricks from the climate of your destination to the specific cultural considerations. Need advice on whether to pack that extra pair of shoes or carry the lightweight jacket? Your travel agent has you covered. So remember, your travel agent is not just booking your tickets. They're your go-to source for packing perfection. Until next time, happy travels! Follow us for more tips and tricks.